Hello everybody, this is Dr. Cole. It's Sunday afternoon, January 30th, and we're now entering week 4 of Political Science 1013 on the 16-week schedule for spring 2022. Let me mention just a bit about what we have coming up. It's Sunday. Tomorrow, Monday the 31st, we have Quiz 2 coming up, and I have some material for you to look at that I hope you've looked at by now, related to political parties and pressure groups, which is the material for Unit 2. You have an article that discusses divisions and tensions within the Democratic Party. You have one that discusses the Republican Party and how they're doing with Hispanic voters, which has been quite a topic of discussion lately. And then you have an article about pressure groups, one pressure group in particular, the National School Boards Association. Now, this is a good example of a pressure group in the government sector. One thing you'll notice about it, typical of many groups, it's sort of a group of groups, because most every state has its own school boards association, and those will be affiliated with the National School Boards Association, except the National School Boards Association now has gotten itself in trouble, and as you read the article, you'll see there's some possibility that the organization will break up, or that a new organization will be created. So I hope that'll be of interest to you. It relates to things that have been in the headlines recently. So 3 things for you to look at for the quiz that will begin tonight at midnight and run for 24 hours on Monday. 10 true-false items, 15 minutes for you to complete the quiz. After that, everybody, we have finished with Units 1 and 2, and we have to look at Units 3 and 4 before the midterm exam, which is on the syllabus for March 7th. So we'll be beginning the month of February, of course, this Tuesday the 1st. So we have February and a few days in March to get through Units 3 and 4. And then the first 4 units of the course will be covered on the midterm exam. Unit 3 is on mass media. Unit 4 is on the Constitution. We'll take about a week or 10 days on mass media, and then the rest of that time on Unit 4 on the Constitution, because that's quite a lengthy unit compared to Unit 3. Look for some material from me on Tuesday about a quiz and a discussion related to Unit 3 on the mass media. Now, in Unit 3, what we try to do is look at the different kinds of media and how the media environment is changing. It's changing, you might say, from old media to new media. Old media being newspapers and television largely. New media being internet or technology-based media, such as internet sites and especially social media. So that's what we'll be doing in Unit 3, and we'll spend a week or 10 days on that before we move on to Unit 4. Look for, after you take your quiz on tomorrow, Monday, the 31st, look for some messages from me along about Tuesday about a discussion and a quiz related to the mass media material for Unit 3. Be looking for that along about Tuesday after you take your quiz tomorrow, Monday. And we'll have more to say about Units 3 and 4 when we talk to you again about a week from this time on or about Sunday the 6th. In the meantime, good luck on the quiz tomorrow. We'll be talking to you again in a few days. Take it easy.